Hey everyone. Yeah, I thought I'd show off my Coinops Xbox arcade sticks. So we'll start off with this one. Soul Calibur limited edition one. See, Dead Thumb Gamer's got this. It's a nice box, is that? So yeah, let's open it up. This is the one that I use most. Soul Calibur 2. A little book there. Tells you what to do. Because it's like a memory one. You know, where you can put code, well, you can put your own combos in and stuff like that. And it's also, well, for the Xbox, for the PlayStation 2 and for the Nintendo GameCube. Let's get it out, eh? Let's put that box to one side. And there it is. It is a cracking little stick, is this. It's really nice and tight. There's not much play in it at all. You know, it's really short. The buttons are bang on. And you can program it, that's it, and turbo and stuff like that. Brilliant little stick, that. And it's good that you can do them as well. 3 different consoles. But yeah, the Xbox is doing that because it's not plugged into TV. So I'll just pop that there. And I'll show you the arcade stick. That's this one, the Gamester one, officially licensed for Xbox. I'll have to assemble this one. That's a bit of it there. And it also comes with 2 heads. Let's pop them there for a second. So yeah, this is it. This is a good stick. These buttons are really nice. I need to start using this again. I don't know why I stopped using it. But yeah, it comes with an Allen key. So you take the Allen key out. You pick one of these. Pop that in there. Turn it over. And find that, and then tighten it up. Because this stick, apparently it's one that you can absolutely hammer. It's like a proper arcade one. It is a good stick. Let's pop that back in there. And that's this one. There is a bit more play in that one. Like with this one, it's really short, but this one's quite long. But yeah, this is a brilliant little stick. So I'll pop that one there. And that's with its other head as well. And might as well show you this as well. Again, the Beretta. It's a brilliant little gun, this. It does work differently with other games though, you know, the light gun games on Xbox. Some work better than others. Some don't work at all, you know, like Lethal Enforcers. So I'll just pop this in here. I have already shown this off on her. But yeah, the recoil gun. It has got a laser pointer, but it won't come on because it's not pointing to television. So you can have it off, or you can take recoil on, but it's not working. Wonder why. Oh, it's probably turned itself off. Right, so now it's a really good little gun. You've got that as well. It is a good gun, is that. You can have it on normal, automatic, A normal again, automatic back start. There to adjust your laser up and down. But yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd show you them. So I just want to say thanks for watching. But yeah, that is my best stick, that one. But I'm going to start playing that one again. But yeah, thanks for watching. You lot take care. I've got this as well, and that's me Xbox pad. I forgot about that. Alright then, definitely going to get going. Alright, you lot take care. Bye.